8. It was February 11, my birthday, and I was born at 2017. So, from Erica again, this is Erica. I like the name Erica. It said, Rosa starting, you're welcome. Are you like 12 or 13? Do I look like 12, 13? No, I look like 8 or 10 or 9. Everybody said that. Everybody said, how old are you? I am 8 years old. And Rosa Saring is my nice phone, my grand, grandmother. I don't know, my nanny. That was my nana. Nana means grandma. So yeah, and don't forget like and subscribe, please. And Erica is keep commenting each video. I always see Erica, and I love you, Erica. Erica, are you a girl or a boy? Comment to the next. Look at this. Perfect body and perfect smile. Please comment how old are you and no, how old are you and you're a girl or boy. Goodbye. Wait a minute. Coming to this video. Are you a girl or a boy? And how old are you? Please comment in here. Goodbye.